Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. I don't make enough cookies. I just realized that, and I think I only have 1 or 2 cookie recipes on my YouTube channel. So we're gonna change that. So today we are making these incredible pecan date cookies. There's no flour at all. The only thing we're using are nuts, and we're using raw nuts. We don't even have to toast them. And we're using dates. So, and a couple of other little ingredients that you most likely will have on hand, but these are absolutely delicious. I think that dates and pecans are a match made in heaven. You can change the pecans. You can use walnuts, you can use almonds. I think both would work really beautifully. I love pecans in this recipe. I love pecans in desserts, period. Almonds as well, but I think pecans really belong in desserts. So these are a softer cookie. I did add some chocolate chips. I did not add very many, and you don't even have to. If you want to just leave these as is without the chocolate, they will be delicious also. But I added some dark chocolate and they are phenomenal. I have given them to a few people. They couldn't believe that it was just a handful of ingredients. They're delicious. Even better when they're refrigerated. They also do get a little firmer once they're in the fridge for a little while. These are going to be in my recipe repertoire for sure, and I'll probably change it up with some different nuts. But again, as I said, guys, pecans and dates are just so delicious together. The other thing I wanted to mention is I am working on an cookbook for you, and it hopefully will be available in the next couple of weeks. It'll be the first 50 recipes from my channel, and it'll be an ebook that you can download, and you know, all the recipes will be there for you, and it'll just be convenient for you to get to all the recipes. So stay tuned for that. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these delicious pecan date cookies.
You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we want to line a baking sheet, and then we're going to set that aside. This recipe is made in a food processor, so we're going to grab our food processor and we are going to add 1.5 cups of pecans. Again, you can use walnuts, you can also use almonds, and these are raw. We're going to process these for, I don't know, about a minute and a half until we get this nice coarse crumb. And now we can add the rest of our ingredients. This is 8 ounces or 1 cup of dates. These are Medjool dates, and mine are quite soft, so I did not soak mine. This is half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. Let's process until it's incorporated. The last ingredient that we are going to add is 1 large egg. You could add it with the rest of the ingredients. I actually totally forgot, so I'm just going to add it now. I'm just going to blend this for another 30 seconds or so until it's nicely blended. It will be quite sticky, which is what we want. Lastly, let's add our chocolate chips. I'm adding 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chips. You can add a little more, you can add a little less, or you can completely omit them. You can use your food processor and just pulse the chocolate chips through, or you can just mix them by hand. This is my 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop, which will do the job, and I'm going to scoop 18 cookies. Next, just using my fingertips or your palm, we're just going to flatten the cookies. They are quite sticky. If you notice that you're having some difficulty, just wet your hand with a little water and it'll work just fine. And lastly, I like to add just 2 or 3 chocolate chips on top before baking. We're going to bake these at 350 for about 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, you'll notice a nice light golden brown around the edges. And lastly, we're going to add a little flaky sea salt. Enjoy these pecan date chocolate cookies. They are absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna have one more bite.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these pecan date cookies, let me know in the comments below. Also, the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.